Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a goal in Dave app. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Goals. Now, you will see an option that says Create Goal. Tap on the Create Goal option. Next, enter all the necessary information such as the name and amount of your goal, when you wish to end the goal, and a photo to represent your goal. Once entered, tap on Confirm Identity. Then, verify your identity by entering all the needed information. Note that the information you will provide here should match your documentation. After entering all the necessary information, tap on Confirm. Read the terms and conditions designed by Dave app. Once read, tap on the tick box beside I agree to the Goals Account Agreement, Evolve Privacy Policy. Then, tap on Create Goals Account. Lastly, start achieving your goal by making your first deposit. You can choose the amount from the options provided or enter a custom amount by tapping on the option that says Custom Amount. You can also just make the deposit later by tapping on Maybe Later. That's how you create a goal in Dave app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.